I want to give a quick review and side-by-side comparison of 3 under the sink organizers. You wouldn't have to use them just under the sink, but that's how they're advertised and how they seem to be designed. So let's just start here, introduce them. This one is this black one. It just comes with one. It's made by a company called Inevitably Under Sink Organizer. So again, it just comes with one, where these others come by the pairs, or actually this one's more like 4 that are stackable. In the middle here, we've got VERIFOST. This is a 2-pack of under the sink organizers. These are clear stackable organizers, could be used in the kitchen or under the sink, and they're made by a company called Zero Zoo. A 4-pack is what we've got here. So you see them, I've got them stacked 2 and 2. So let's go over them quickly and show you some of the differences. This one, the Inevitably Under the Sink, it is a metal frame construction on there. You do have to construct it, which is not very difficult. Metal frame inserts down in there, and then this goes on top, and then this basket essentially just hangs on it. Is how that works. And then this is a sliding drawer, so it can slide out either way. So you can if you picture it, put it under a sink, you might have the plumbing right here, so it could go on the right side, or you could flip around the other way and it could go on the left side to leave you some space for the plumbing if you chose to go under the sink with it. Metal frame, and then this little plastic thin liner that could be washed off if you've got something on there. The VERIFOST one, I do like it. One of the things I like it is it's actually got metal legs, but this part is plastic, but it's a pretty substantial plastics, not super flimsy. It also has these little hooks that you could hang stuff on, and also this. So I'm picturing under like a kitchen sink, being able to put like a scrubber or some kind of sponge or something in there. You can adjust the height on them, so I could push that button down on all 4 legs and raise it to be higher if you needed more room underneath here. It's also got these rubber feet on it that can help it not slide around as much. And it's also made where you could put it in there sideways under your sink and slide it out on both the top and the bottom. And in the Zero Zoo here, stackable little clear plastic containers here. I say little, they're actually decent size, but those can slide out. Talk about possibly using this to store like vitamins in, or maybe even in a snack drawer. You could put the snacks in there and they could reach in there and get it, and the ability to stack. You can unstack them too if you want to, but you can see I've got them stacked 2 and 2. All these do get good reviews. Sometimes